What's up, guys? Jeep and Bubba. We're in the shop today working on Project Smokey. Me and Evan are throwing in a engine and transmission skid from ASFIR 4x4. First time installing this one, so go along with us and we'll show you how it's done. All right, this thing is aluminum. It's beefy, it's thick, and I'm gonna need it for what I'm doing with this truck. We've got some instructions here. We got some hardware. You can see that is some thick gauge aluminum. I forget how thick it is, but it is thick. This one is specific for the diesel Gladiator. They do make them for 2.0s, turbos, as well as the 3.6. But yeah, let's get going. All right, see that hole right up there by your motor mount? You got to pull that factory bolt out. They're going to give you a longer bolt, and that is what's going in that hole right there. So they're pretty tight. They got Loctite on them. Do your magic, get them out. That's going in. Alright, that's what the bolt's going to look like once it's in. You see, that makes it easier to get to. So Evan took a paint pen, marked where the hardware goes. You just put these capture nuts in there, U-nuts. And then you can see in the back there, we're going to reuse those two holes. So you just got those two in the back, those two there. This is the hardware going in. What size are those, 13s?
13.
Yeah. Alright, pretty self-explanatory. We put those in loose, these in loose. Now we're lining these up loose. And then once everything's in, you can go around and tighten everything. Even leave your top ones loose just a touch. Looks like it's lining up well. Alright, that's it. Got it all tightened and torqued up. You know, in the air, this is probably an hour job. The hardest thing was just breaking the Loctite loose on that. It takes forever to get that bolt off, but got everything torqued up. It fits perfect. Again, this is a 3.0 diesel. They're a little bit different on the 2.0 Wranglers, but really nice fit, finish. Aluminum, so you're not going to rust. Nice hardware. Really like that ASFIR 4x4 skid plate. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. If you'd like to order one of these, we're a dealer here at Black Bear Off-Road. So hit us up at info@blackbearoffroad.com or check us out, www.blackbearoff-road.com. Thanks, eat your prunes, and we'll be seeing you.